If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, we're going to go over cleaning the slide on a basic semi-automatic firearm. I've already tore the firearm down. This is a very, very dirty firearm. If you can see down in there, there's a lot of crud. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my gun scrubber. See if we can see that. Gun scrubber. It's by Birchwood Casey. And I got my little straw in there. Spin it around. I've got a bucket. You're probably going to want a bucket. Spray it a little bit, get it nice and wet. I'm going to take my toothbrush and just loosen some of this up. This is a 22 long rifle. If you know anything about 22 long rifle ammo, it is very, very dirty. So we've got to get it loose a little bit here. Scrub all that down in there as much as you can. Some parts the toothbrush won't get to. Now we're just going to start spraying it off, and you can spray everything with this stuff. You can spray the slide and everything. And I've got a rag over here. And what I'll do with the rag is I'll actually wipe the slide down. Just like that, and try to keep some of that haze off of it. And you might need to spray it a couple of times. If you don't get it off, you might need to spray it again. Well, look, that's pretty good. I might take an air hose and blow it off. Some of you may not have an air hose, so you might want to wipe it a little bit more with a rag. You can get some lint-free rags, which I do suggest if you don't have an air hose. I just blow mine off with the air hose, so it's not that big of a deal. But that's all that is to the slide. We're not going to take it down anymore. One of the things you can do, or make sure you do, is you've got your firing pin down in there. Make sure to squirt some down in that hole. I'll go again right here. I'm just going to squirt it. There's going to be back pressure, so don't put all the pressure on it because it will blow back at you. Just squirt some in there. It will dry out. I could see it going out the back end. I don't know if you saw that or not. Let's see. There it goes, just like that. It went out the back end. Should be good and clean. Now what I'll do is I will actually take this and I'll sit it up like that, so that firing pin, the hole that the firing pin sits in, it will all dry and it'll drain out, so it'll dry faster. The only other thing with that is you're going to have your rod and spring. You don't necessarily have to pull this thing apart, but you do want to hit it. Just get any grit that's in there. This one wasn't bad. Most of them won't be. They can get dirty after a while, but if you clean it regularly, and I suggest cleaning your firearms once a month, whether you shoot them or not. So I also suggest go shoot it once a month. So basically you're killing two birds with one stone. You're shooting and cleaning. You got your practice in and you're cleaning your gun. And that's good. I'm going to sit it to the side. And that is cleaning the slide. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.